We all know that everyone loves music. We listen to music every single time. We listen to music when we're out with our friends. We listen to music when we're doing our work. But the question is, did you make money the last time you listened to music? What if there was a single button on your phone that you can press that will pay you money every time you play your favorite jam? Yes, this thing works. So pay attention to this video because we'll show you everything. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. The first thing we're going to do is make a PayPal account. This is how we're going to receive your funds from the different websites that I'm going to show you today in this video. Just go to paypal.com and click on the sign up button right here. Create a simple personal account and click on the next button. You guys are up and running in no time. These websites are available worldwide, no matter which country you're from. This is 100% free with no premium membership needed. How do I get paid? This website will pay you with PayPal because a lot of people are already familiar with it, and this is very simple and very easy. Right here, you can see the live statistics of all the different listeners around the world. This website has already made out $200,000 to its users worldwide. This website has thousands of users all over the world listening to music right now and earning money. You can zoom in and out right here in different countries to see the number of people there listening to music and earning money. To have access to the dashboard, you need to register with the website first. You need to have an email and password, and that is very easy and simple to do. Once you have access to your dashboard, you will pick one out of 3 radio stations right here. You are paid every 15 minutes, and the points will be added directly to your account, and later you can convert it to real actual cash. Once you click on the radio station, another tab will be opened. Just click on this play button right here. As you can see, that there is a banner advertisement. These websites earn money by doing an advertisement, and this website will pay you a portion of that advertisement cost. You can also play music on iTunes and earn money. You can see here that there is a button that says Open Stream with your players. The results of this method are not typical. You may earn thousands of dollars, or you might just earn a couple of bucks. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Another way to make money by listening to music is this website that pays you for using your phone while listening to music. All you have to do is go to this website and sign up. Then you have access to a mobile phone number where they're going to have a test for free. When it is complete, you can start earning money by listening to live music on your mobile phone. This website also has a fast payment system, and they will pay you through PayPal. Now this is one of my favorite websites for making money listening to music. This website allows you to rate some artists and their music. Once you log into your account, all you have to do is click on this Rate Music button right here. And that will open up a player where you will see the name of the artist and the music. Once you finish listening to music, you will head on to this page where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's music. Once you're finished rating, you will earn points. And later, you can convert them into cash. The next website is where you can listen to music brands and review their songs. You can also support them. Just watch this video right here to know more about this website and how the website works. The first website is called Radio Earn. On this website, you can earn money by just listening to music, and you can stream the music through iTunes if you want to. Just go on to this website and register for a free account. Click on this button right here to register. The other website is called cashforminutes.com. This website is going to pay you when you pick up your phone and dial some number and listen to an internet radio broadcast. The other website's name is hitpredictor.com. Some of the music here is music that I never heard before. The last website is called Music X-Ray. Just scroll on this page and click on the sign up button. When you come up to this page, you are just going to input the needed information. Also, there's another sign up option right here, like Facebook and SoundCloud. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.